Trump pum pum. Somewhere in South Florida, 2016, before elections. This story is so explosive that we think it's going to change the results of the election.
The story is very explosive and it's a great story.
The price of the story is $2 million.
Yeah, but this guy may not pay.
Does he want to sit in the White House?
Of course, who wouldn't want to sit in the White House? But that would be up to my confidant.
Well, he could be very convincing. So let's keep the dialogue open.
Perfect. Let's move forward.
Agreed. Somewhere in South Florida, 2020, right before election.
In 4 years, you look good, man.
You look good yourself. It's been a long time. So, any dirt on Biden?
Sure, but the price is fine. Fine.
Good catch. You should have played for the Giants.
And it's generous. Well,
Make sure you take care of everything.
absolutely. 2020 is going to be interesting.
Looking forward to it. Good luck, my friend. See you again.
That is how elections get decided. Trump pum pum.